Skullduggery.
But who really is Skullduggery? Perhaps just some deranged loser with nothing better to do. He indeed is a great wrestler, but what of his past, his terrible, terrible past? Needless to say, Skullduggery is an American hero, and his powers are so powerful that they make him power. If he gets shot, he doesn't feel the pain, so it doesn't hurt him. Get it? It makes perfect sense. If Skullduggery jumps from a building, his legs don't break because he doesn't feel the pain. It's pretty much Gears, but at the same time not. Anyway, the fans think it's real because they don't know the secret, so Skullduggery can go ahead and plow the all-American boy up the ass with the splintered side of a broken broom handle. Skullduggery, Skullduggery, Skirdiggly, Skirdiggly, Skirduggly, and Skirduggly, and whoa, that was strange. I just had a dream I was saying Skullduggery's name in a bunch of different ways. I hope you appreciate Skullduggery more now.
Didn't you hear me? Weirdo.
The pink elephant, please.